Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation and the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I'm so excited for this. My eye makeup is the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette, so if you want to check out that video, it should be up before this. I have ordered a primer, but it's not here yet, so today I'm just going to use the Revolution one. This is the Revolution Glass Skin Primer. This is a primer I really like, so I know it's not going to affect the foundation, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've heard amazing things about the tinted moisturizer, which I do have as well, which I will do like another video on, but I wanted to try the foundation today because I feel like my eyes are a little bit like heavy, so I wanted, you know, an actual foundation rather than a tinted moisturizer, I guess. Alright, let's have a read and see what the claims are. I love Colourpop, honestly. I've tried I got rid of it actually, the No Filter foundation. I did really like it, but it's matte, and also the pump was like ruined and it was like almost finished, and I was like, no. So let's see what it says about the foundation. Foundation retails for $16 USD. The shade range, there is a few shades, but just not enough deep ones, honestly. But yeah, all it really says is get natural, healthy looking skin with this skin perfecting medium buildable coverage foundation. It says the skin perfecting medium coverage foundation creates a healthy skin-like finish. Get coverage and hydration with the same good for you ingredients like hyaluronic acid for your healthiest looking skin ever. It says it's got a natural finish and it's formulated with fruit extracts to enhance the look of skin by instantly hydrating and diminishing the look of fine lines while delivering hydration over time. It says it has hyaluronic acid, which is well known to attract 1,000 times its weight in water. And coconut water, which is known to support hydration and skin softness. It says use Pretty Fresh blending sponge for light coverage or for flat kabuki face brush for fuller coverage. But I'm going to use my sponge, so I'm going to use like the Juno & Co one. I don't have the Colourpop sponges. So let's get into this. I'm so excited. I've almost finished up my Morphe setting spray. I'm so sad. I have to buy another one in a minute, like soon. And hopefully I'll actually be able to use the sprayer on that one, because at the moment I'm decanting it into this Ofra bottle. But anyway, alright. While that soaks in, I'm just going to read about the concealer and see what it says. I love the No Filter concealer, you guys know. That one is amazing. Like, I love it. I use it every time I do my makeup. So it says the hyaluronic concealer has a creamy, full coverage concealer with a cushiony feel. This creamy, cushiony, full coverage concealer seamlessly blends into the skin, leaving a natural, fresh finish. Skin-loving hyaluronic acid and coconut water hydrate the skin, while full coverage pigment cover and correct blemishes. This combo leaves you with fresh perfected skin that lasts all day, oil-free, dermatologicus, I don't know how to say this word, dermatologist, oh my god, okay, dermatologist tested and ideal for all skin types. So let's get into it. So the Pretty Fresh foundation that I have is in the shade Fair 25W. This is how it looks here. Hopefully it'll be okay. So let's get started. Give her a bit of a shake. Okay, we'll do one cheek first so we can see how it looks. This is one pump, by the way. I really want the setting spray as well. Shanaxo raves about it, but it's out of stock at the moment. Look, I'm not seeing this light coverage. This is very, very full, like medium to me, even maybe full. I don't know. I think it looks beautiful. Like my skin looks radiant. Like I know this is obviously like just like gone on the skin, but that was one pump. It covered half my face. You can see it's covered it a lot. Just makes my skin look a lot fresher. It's covered all of my redness in my cheeks. So far, so good. Alright, let's do the other side. Oopsies, I just cut off my eyeshadow. We'll see, there you go, it covered up the purple eyeshadow, so it's got good coverage. Alright, first impression. Really nice. I really quite like the way this looks. I think it looks beautiful. It's super, super fresh and dewy, you guys can see that. Super, super glowy. Pretty Fresh is like perfect way to describe it. I think the coverage is really, really nice. I don't think I would want more coverage than this. Like I feel like this is a very like good coverage, like a very nice level of coverage. I've lost a sponge. Come on, where is it? It's one of my little ones. Oh god, anyway, okay, let's put the concealer on. So this one is in the shade Fair 10N, so hopefully it's not, oh no. It looks pretty light, like, compared to, this is like the shade I have in the No Filter. Oh, maybe they're not too different. This one's just a lot more yellowy based. But anyway, we can't like, you know, anyway, let's, oh actually, now that it's like on the skin, I don't think it'll be too bad. So I'm just gonna put this where I always put my concealer, and we're gonna blend it. So this is how my skin looks with the concealer. I don't know if I noticed that much of a difference. Like I feel like this one said it was meant to be like super full coverage, but I feel like the foundation was more full coverage. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like I just don't know. Like it looks very, very nice. Like I feel like it blends in super well. Like it's super undetectable. Like you cannot even tell that I've got concealer on. But yeah, I just don't know if it added that much. I feel like maybe because the foundation is already so nice on its own. But anyway, I'll just quickly set it so it doesn't crease or anything. I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder. I'm just setting all of that concealer with the Fenty Beauty. Just set the rest of my face. I might even just take like my Hourglass setting powder because I feel like that's a nice like a bit more, you know, not a matte one. So this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light, and I'm just gonna use this to set my face. What are you guys thinking? Do you think it looks nice? I feel like I really like it. I feel like it does look very, very pretty. Okay, now that we've set it, let's do some close-ups and see what we think. It's obviously like dried a little bit more now that I've set it with powder, but I still think it looks really nice. That's my problem area right there in the nose. It looks good. I really like it, and I feel like obviously after I set my face and everything, it'll look even better. So let's keep going. Let's do some bronzer and stuff. Alright, for bronzer today, I'm just going to take the Anastasia bronzer in Saddle. I feel like I say this every time I use it, but I just don't know if I like it. But I like it. I've used it like so many times, and I just still cannot tell if I like this or not. I feel like maybe the undertone is off. It just looks a bit too red, I feel like. It's not awful, but maybe it's just, yeah, more the undertone than anything. Okay. Right. How does that happen? That looks absolutely disgusting. I hate when this stuff happens. Anyway, I don't think blush will go with this look, so I'm just going to go straight to highlight. I might take this one by Benefit. This is the Dandelion Twinkle. I haven't used this in a while, so it's pretty like subtle, but it's really pretty. Smells like my childhood. Don't know what it is, but it just smells like my childhood. I had like a toy or something that smelled like this. I love these Benefit highlighters, but god, that sometimes they're hard to get into because like the of the box, you know. But anyway, I really like this highlight. Like it's just so kind of just like, I don't know, it's really pretty. It's very like subtle but beautiful. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my hair and everything, and then I'll come back and tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, I just went in with the Colourpop Luxe Gloss in Just Cuddle. And this is how the finished look looks. I think it looks really, really pretty. I feel like my skin just looks so radiant and so glowy. I wish I hadn't messed up my bronzer, but what are you gonna do? I feel like my skin does look really fresh and just really pretty. What do you guys think? Personally, I really like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You know what, I'm gonna have to give both of these like a thumbs up. I think they are really, really pretty. I feel like if you like the way my skin looks, you should definitely try them out. The good thing is with Colourpop is that they aren't ridiculously expensive. So if you do try them out and you're not liking them, it's not like it's gonna exactly break your bank, if you know what I mean. But no, I do really like them. I think they both look beautiful. I'll just give you like one more close up. Like, I feel like, you know, looks good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've tried either the foundation or the concealer, comment below and let me know what you thought. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!